How to make a weather app in JavaScript. First, we will create an HTML structure. It includes a container div to hold all the elements. Inside the container, there's an h1 tag for the title of the app, an input field for entering the city name, a button to trigger the weather retrieval process, and a div with the ID weather card, which will contain the weather information. After that, we will add styles. It sets up the styling for the web page, including the background color, text alignment, input field, button, and weather card. Initially, the weather card is hidden. After that, we will add script.js. The getWeather function is called when the getWeather button is clicked. It retrieves the city name from the input field, constructs the API URL with the city name and the Open Weather Map API key, and then fetches weather data from the API using fetch. Once the weather data is fetched successfully, it calls the display weather function, passing the retrieved data. The display weather function takes the weather data as input and updates the HTML content of the weather card. The weather icon is obtained from Open Weather Maps API and displayed accordingly. As a result, we got a web app with a city search.